Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a burger very easy. First, select quality ground beef, ideally an 80/20 blend for the best balance of fat and flavor. Next, gently form your patties. Aim for about 3/4 of an inch thick and slightly wider than your bun, as they will shrink during cooking. Finally, press a small dimple into the center of each patty. This simple trick helps them cook evenly and prevents them from bulging into a dome shape. Now, let's cook those patties to perfection. Preheat your grill or a cast iron skillet to a medium-high temperature. Place your patties on the hot surface and resist the urge to press down on them, as this squeezes out the delicious juices. Cook for about 3 to 5 minutes per side for a juicy medium rare to medium burger. For cheeseburgers, add your favorite slice of cheese during the final minute of cooking. With your patties cooked, it's time to assemble your delicious burger. Start by lightly toasting your buns. This adds a nice texture and prevents them from getting soggy. Next, layer your fresh toppings. Crisp lettuce, a ripe tomato slice, and thinly sliced onion are classic choices. Finally, add your favorite condiments. A dollop of ketchup, a swirl of mustard, or a generous spread of your special sauce will complete your perfect burger. And there you have it, a perfectly easy, homemade burger ready to enjoy. Serve it hot with your favorite side, whether that's crispy fries or a refreshing salad. Don't be afraid to get creative with your toppings and sauces. The possibilities are endless for customizing your burger experience. For an effortless way to keep your kitchen clean after all that cooking, check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. You can find a link to it, along with other great deals, in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.